face. Ang galing guys, oh, meron silang free foods para sa kids. May apple, may orange, banana, and pears. 1 to 2 minutes.
Yeah. Each side.
Get one fat with the fat. I don't like those so plain.
Say that again.
Get one with the fat like this.
Yeah, so it's 2.
We're home na. Lalagyan na natin yung ating mga ibang pinamili. Yes. Apple. Yeah. How about apple juice?
Yeah, apple juice.
Where is my pineapple juice? Ito pala, nandito pala. Hello! Bumili tayo ng pineapple juice. Tayo mag-steak. Magluto si Mr. ng steak for dinner. I think I want steak with some eggs. Someone is helping! I have a little helper. Give me. Thank you. Bait naman. Good girl. Give me your broccoli. It's a must that you have a broccoli. Well done. Tulong. Where is the meats? I need the meats in the fridge. Hi, thank you. Ah, you bite it.
She bit it.
Yeah.
Come on, let me get in.
You cannot deny. You have 2 teeth marks here. 4. 2 up, 2 down.
Wasn't me.
Ah, that's why you jump. Because you tried to give it to me and said, and then she jumped because she done something wrong. Kinagat. Oh? No, you can't eat it. Your little rat. She ate the potatoes also the other day. It's there. I'm naughty girl. I'm so naughty. I have no space. No, you can't eat it. I'll get you some, what do you want? And then you go and sit there, okay? Kabili ulit tayo ng melon. Cantaloupe pala. Brownies. Prepare some brownies. So she won't eat my... so she won't eat the vegetables. Nangagat. Bili tayo ng pork ribs. $2.99. Ito ay halos half kilo. Then bumili tayo ng beef. Magkaano tayo? Beef caldereta. And then we got pork belly. Gagawin kong kare-kare. And then ito ang ating dinner. Steak. Ganun.
Right, don't put them in the fridge.
Yeah.
Let them warm up.
Okay. And then this one. What is this?
As well.
Salmon cheddar. Melt in the middle. So for dinner. And then, I'm gonna cook this adobo. Or sisig. Adobo and sisig. I'm gonna do this now for my lumpia spring roll. Got spam at last. I forgot cucumber.
You can all.
Didn't see a cucumber. And then wipes.
Oh.
May pasok na guys ang mga bata. Kaya tayo naman ay gagawa na ng kanilang magiging pangbaon sa school. And ang una kong naisip ay gagawin ko na tong ating lumpia. Pagsasama-samahin ko dito sa ating grinder. Sa isang giling lang. So, yan. Then, onion. And 2 carrots. Gusto kong gumawa ng ating carrot shots. Kaso nabibisi pa ako. Dami tayo nabiling carrots ulit. Ano ba ito? Ano kumasa? ng ating baby ng Google. Ay, hindi na nagana. Oh dear. Hindi na pala nagana. Ayaw gumana ng ating malaking food processor. Kaya ito na lang ating maliit na pang garlic. Pag din naman. Nasira na guys ang ating food processor na malaki na tuluyan na. Pancho. Lamig. Oh, mabuti na lang guys, may gloves na ako kasi feel na feel kong maghalo ng lumpia pag naka-gloves. Pag kamay lang, parang naiilang ako. She being naughty? Oh dear, what have you done? Huh? Are you a good girl? No? Did Papa scold you? Papa, it's okay. Don't do it, okay? No, when Papa says no, it's a no, okay? Like that. That's no also. Yeah? Lilikot niya yung aking china-charge. Ang bilis pa iyakin eh. Lilikot kasi ng charger. It's okay. When Papa says no, it's fine. Papa loves you, even though Papa says no. Because it's charging. Something is charging there. Yes?
Yeah, there's electrical things and I don't want you getting hurt. Okay.
Oh dear, are you okay? It's okay. Mama's making spring roll. Okay. Stay there, okay? You behave, okay? Not yet. Needs to cook first. Can't eat yet. Tapos na tayo guys. So, dalawang Tupperware yan. 8. Tapos, gumawa ako ng maliliit na bite size lang asin. Para siyang cheese stick. Pero sa baby natin to. Kasi, syempre kasi ang ating baby, maliit ang kamay. Kaya, ginawan ko din siya nan. So, takpan na natin. Pero, papiprito ko ang ating baby later. And, ito ang ating itatago sa freezer. Para pag may pasok na yung mga bata. Ba't yun? Hindi ka siya. Bata. So, para pagpasok nila, bye! Kasha! Yes. Parang silang baon. Iko, why, mister? Why? Smells so good. Garlic. Smells so good, the garlic. Yeah? Stay lang. Looks perfect, isn't it? Looks nice. Nice. Small. Putrix ka. Papasok. It's for sa ating baby. Tignan natin to. Nice. It's ready. Let's eat, guys. Yummy. Nice, the steak. Is it soft? Is it yummy?
They haven't tried it yet.
They tried. I think they like it. Salt? How's the salt? Have you found it?
Try a bit with the sauce.
Have you got the salt, no?
Get some sauce, come on.
Does that really taste anything?
What? The steak?
Hindi po. Just,
Yung?
just.
It's not bad. It's good.
Walang laman.
It's nice with the sauce.
Kuha mo na yung malaki.
Nice. Try natin tong high pepper sauce.
Like that.
Yeah. It's nice with the steak.
Better with some cream.
It's nice. Ano ba to? Nauga.
Kailan nakanta? Yung kailan na.
That's it. Okay na.
Padami.
You got some?
That's one. Yeah.
Tama. Bilis mahiwa.
Soft naman. You finished?
No.
Yeah, I have some.
They like it. It's nice. Thank you.
I won't say what it looks like.
Yeah.
No, I won't go with the salmon. I'll put it on the meat. It'll get rid of some of the salt we've put on as well. There's still a bit left, Nash, if you want some.
Nalo ka ni habal. I French smash.
No, I've done.
It's nice with the steak.
Well, you've eaten it all.
Very nice.
Yummy. So, may binigay guys ang aming kapitbahay na Pilipina, si Sis Michelle. Tingnan natin yung kanyang mga pinadala. So, ito ay dinuguan. Uy, ang sarap. Parang mainit-init pa. Tapos, meron din siyang pinadalang puto. Ang sarap to. Isasaw-saw sa dinuguan. Ginagawa niyo ba yun, guys? And then, meron din siyang pinadalang pansit. Ang dami. Ang dami niyang pinadala. Naka-tupperware pa. Wow, ang bango. Sarap. Ang bango, guys. Kakakain lang namin ng dinner. Late ko na kasi nabasa yung kanyang chat. And then, ito yung puto. I-open natin. So, ayan. Sarap. And then, open din natin yung tinuguan. So, siya pala ay nagpapa-order, guys, ng food. Ng mga ganitong luto. So, pag gusto nyong umorder, kontakin nyo siya. Ipa-flash ko yung kanyang Facebook account. So, dito kami sa England. So, dito kami sa Leyland. So, kayo na lang ang bahalang mag-inquire sa kanya ng paano umorder. Pero, ang sarap niyang magluto. Natikman ko yung luto niya kasi last time, nung nakaraang, ano ba, Tuesday? Tuesday ba yun? Wednesday yata. In-invite niya ako sa kanila and ang dami nilang nilutong food. Ang sarap nung niluto niya. Kahit yung anak ko ayaw bitawan yung chicken wings na niluto niya. So, tikman natin itong kanyang dinuguan. Sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap niyang ano, partneran. Maglagay tayo dito. Kakakain lang namin pero masarap kasi siyang magluto. Ang sarap nitong kanyang dinuguan, guys. And then, sasawsaw na sa puto. Ang lalaki pati ng puto niya, oh. Hindi na kayo lugi. Ang sarap. Yummy. So, pag gusto mo niyong umorder, guys, i-flash ko talaga yung kanyang Facebook. Hindi ko talaga alam na may Pilipina akong kapitbahay. Yung mga anak ko lang nakakita sa kanya. Tapos, may nag-chat din sa akin isang Pinay na parang familiar daw yung aking mga pinopost. So, yun. Kaya nalaman ko na may kapitbahay pala akong Pinay. So, tikman natin yung pansit. Ang sarap. Ang sarap na magluto. Yummy. Ang sarap ng pansit. Kakain niya si Mr. Sigurado. Pero gusto ko itong dinuguan. Ang sarap. Kaya naman pala siya nagpapa-order eh. Ano? Sarap niya magluto. Yummy. Tapos yung puto ang sarap. Ang sarap. Lasang Pilipinas. Sarap, guys. Ang sarap. Ang dami ng pansit niya, oh. Ang ganda ng tray. Ito yung puto. Sulit din, kasi ang lalaki. Ang dami ng binigay niya. And then, ito yung dinuguan. Yummy! Order na kayo, guys! Order na kayo sa kanya. Tangkilikin ang sariling atin. Ang sarap. Yun lang, guys. Thank you, Sis Michelle. Sobrang sarap niya, promise. Yung pansit, ang sarap. Magustuhan din to ni Mr. Mahilig din si Mr. sa pansit. Puto, yes, nakain din siya ng puto. Ang hindi niya kinakain is yung mga glutinous rice. Yan, hindi siya nakainan. Dinuguan, nakain din siya. Nung nasa Pinas kami, nakain din siya ng magustuhan din niya yan. So, yun lang, guys.